Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this one, we will be working on the M22 Locust tank. So first of all, let's clip away things. The tracks don't need to be clipped, but support needs to cut away the plastic support underneath this gun. So you can see how I'm doing that. All right, let's take a look. And I think that is the way it should be. Actually, that sprue cut there. And then cut like that. That's the way it should be. Congratulations. Next step. Here you go. Cut that sprue mark. And then that's done. Next, that piece is done. Then there's that piece. A rather square looking piece. And that one's done. All right. Last but not least is these two pieces. There you go. Of course, you can sand things down, make it better if you wish. Now is the time where we glue the tank together. So there you go. That's the way it should look like. Put a little glue there. Put a little glue there. While that's going, put a little glue and let's get this turret glued together. All right, that's done. So now let's go ahead and put these on there. And that's the way that should line up like that. So go ahead and put a little glue there, and there. That should be enough. Then carefully, let's do it. Let's put the track onto the side of the tank like this. Done. Well, let's do the other side now. There you go. That's the way that should be. Alright, I pressed firm, and that's like that. Now I'm looking here, and this is optional. You can be done now. You can have your Locust tank, M22 Locust, be done. Or you can put the side skirts on, or the side skirts, or the... Yeah. So, for the completeness of this video and the listing and stuff, I will put the side mudguard, skirt, whatever you want to call it. Before I put this on, though, I'll make sure that's all good. Now I'm going to use these, and let's try to put them in place correctly. Somehow I managed. I did that. Very good. Looking good. Let's put it on the other side now. Now let's get that there. Use my fingers to then guide it into place. So now the tank is actually done. I present to you the M22 Locust little tank. Thank you so much for watching. It's available at miniaturetanks.com.